Hi guys, good evening. So I'm here right now at Lucky One Mall. Right now I'm gonna visit the Five Spice, where you can sit inside. You can also sit outside. With a burger, Smoky burger. So let's start. Actually, guys, I'm really starving. Different taste on the burger. It's a little bit spicy for me. 7 out of 10 for me. This is a chicken steak. It's really good. 10 out of 10. It's really good. So now this is my mango shake. So let's try. And I cannot wait. Favorite. This is mango shake. So it's really refreshing. It's really good. Like, my God, mango is oozing. Like, seriously, guys. So, like, I can finish this in one go. Anyway, guys, I have to say goodbye now. So you can come here and try to find the five spices. So anyway, see you next time.